Every detail can become part of the story if you have the right camera to tell it. We are Helena and Matteo, travel creators, and we turn our passion for travel into the work we do today. Tuscany, with its timeless and cinematic landscape, was the perfect place to test the new Sony RX10 V. It's just the two of us behind everything you see, from the planning and shooting to the final content creation. The Zeiss 24 to 600mm lens was the first thing that truly impressed us. Every second matters. Not having to change lenses means staying in the sea without missing what's happening around you. From wide landscapes to extremely distant detail without ever breaking the flow of the moment. Speed is also essential for us. Straight out of camera colors and image quality help us significantly reduce post-production time, allowing us to focus more on the journey itself and less on the editing process. And even with its 600mm reach, the RX10 V remains lightweight and perfectly balanced, something that becomes incredibly valuable when every gram in your backpack counts. One camera, one system, no interruptions, just the freedom to capture both photos and videos with a single camera, leaving more time to observe and capture what unfolds.